Hi there. We're with our patient here, and our anesthesiologist just notified me that we came out of the operating room just 45 minutes ago, less than an hour, and he's up walking around, and not just walking, but he's going to show you some of his moves.
I am.
Let's see it. There you go. Twisting around, little twist and shout. He had a 2-level lumbar fusion, L45, L5S1, here at the Surgery Center of Europe. And he brought his dancing partner, Augusto. How you feeling?
Tired.
All right, that's normal after anesthesia. So you just had anesthesia just under an hour ago. And the pain in your legs from before surgery, you still have that pain? It's gone?
Yeah, I don't feel it. It's just that they feel a little numb from surgery, but other than that,
Yeah, all right, well, that'll get better in time. So where are you heading tonight?
La Quinta, as soon as my wife gets here.
All right, you're not going to the hospital? All right.
Am I?
No.
No.
We're getting you out of here and you're going to go.